So hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm super excited today because we're diving into a topic that always gives me butterflies. Airports. Airports can be kind of confusing, right? Especially if English isn't your first language. Today's topic is perfect. Let's call it At the Airport.
Oh, wow, I love that. At the airport. Okay, so what makes airports so confusing exactly? I imagine there's a lot happening at once.
Absolutely. So when you first approach the check-in counter, you might say, "Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London, please." It's super simple, but also super important. If the agent asks, "Do you have any bags to check?" They're asking if you have luggage, right? And then you've got your carry-on luggage, which is a small bag that goes with you on the plane, while your check-in luggage goes in the cargo area.
So what about the baggage limits? What if I overpack and find out last minute I can't take everything? That's gotta be a nightmare. Ugh.
Oh, for sure. If you're unsure about the baggage limit, you can always ask, "What's the baggage allowance for this flight?" It's definitely a precaution you want to take before you start hauling your bags around. Being polite and clear at the airport really helps the staff assist you better. Once you check in, you'll get your boarding pass, so always check the gate number and boarding time on it.
Wow, that's a lot to juggle. And then there's the security check, right? Isn't that when you have to take off your shoes? What if you're wearing those fancy shoes you don't want to get scuffed up?
Haha, exactly. So, during the security check, when it's your turn, it's polite to greet the officer with something like, "Good morning," or "Hello." They'll instruct you to put your laptop and phone in a separate tray. And yes, don't forget to take off your belt or shoes if needed, and trust me, it can feel a bit like a game of musical chairs.
Right, and I guess once you're through security, you can either head to the boarding gate or explore the duty-free shop. What's that about? Some magical price discount land or something? Laughs.
Haha, yes. Duty-free means you don't have to pay certain taxes on products, which makes some items cheaper. It's like you're a savvy shopper, right? You can ask about prices by saying, "Excuse me, how much is this perfume? Pian sa?" Or even, "Can I pay by card?"
Oh, and what if I'm lost? You know that feeling when you can't find your way anywhere? Asking for help must be super important. Ugh!
Totally. If you're lost, you can say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is?" That way you come across as polite. But if you're in a hurry, you can just quickly ask, "Excuse me, where's gate 12?"
Haha, I love how direct that is. So once you're near the gate and they announce, Flight 452 to London is now boarding, do you have to, put on a game face to show your passport and boarding pass? Oh boy.
Exactly. When it's time to board, you get ready to show your passport and boarding pass like it's a VIP pass to an exclusive event. Just smile and say, "Good afternoon." Staff will scan your pass and wish you a nice flight.
Oh wow, that's so friendly. And then you can just say, "Thank you," or "Thanks, you too." How cool is that? Laughs.
Ha! Yes, it's all part of the experience. And finally, once you board the plane and find your seat, get ready for what I like to call the seatbelt drama.
Seatbelt drama? Oh man, that sounds intense. Do I need to practice my seatbelt moves before I get on?
All right, everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Everyday English Talk. Today, we're diving into some helpful airport English phrases that'll make your travels smoother than a first-class upgrade. You know those moments when you find someone in your seat or when you're trying to locate your luggage? It's like navigating a maze, right?
Ooh, yes, I've been there. It's like You're carrying all this weight, and one little detail can throw you off completely. But what's the best way to start? Should I just, throw my bags down and make my presence known?
Laughs. Not quite. It's all about being polite. If you find someone in your seat, just say, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat."
Oh, that's polite. I could definitely use that. So if someone needs help with their bags, what should I say?
You would simply ask, "Would you like some help?" It's a great way to spread kindness at 30,000 feet.
Wow. That's like golden rule level stuff right there. You sound like a true gentleman, Jake.
Chuckles. Thanks. And when the flight attendant comes around, if you want a drink, you can just ask, "Could I have some water, please?"
Got it. And what if they're jabbering away and I don't catch what they say? It can get super noisy in there.
Right. Just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Yeah. Airplane noise is like a blender running at full speed. It's, disorienting.
Exactly. Then when the plane lands, you want to wrap up the conversation with the person next to you, so you could say, "Have a nice day," or "Safe travels."
Oh, that's so friendly. Wait, so then I'd follow the signs to baggage claim?
Yes, that's where you collect your luggage.
And, what if my bag doesn't show up? That's like every traveler's nightmare.
You would go to the lost and found desk and say, "Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive."
Smart thinking. I hope I never have to say that, though.
Fingers crossed for both of us. Now let's quickly review some key phrases for the airport.
Yes, hit me with them. This is fun.
All right, first one. "I'd like to check in for my flight, please."
Oh, that's easy to remember.
Next. "What's the baggage allowance?"
Perfect. It's like finding out what purse I can bring on a date, right?
Laughing. Exactly. And then you can ask, "Could you tell me where gate 12 is?"
Very polite. I'm just picturing myself gliding through the airport, asking everyone for directions. Very movie-like.
Right? And then, "Could I have some water, please?"
That's like hydration 101.
And finally, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat."
Super handy. There's definitely never enough room between the seats.
True. And don't forget our last phrase, "My luggage didn't arrive."
I really hope I never say that.
Me too. Just always remember to sprinkle politeness into your travel. It opens up all sorts of gates.
Right, politeness definitely opens all gates. It's like secret traveler magic.
Exactly. So, to wrap this up, today we've covered a lot of airport English, from check-in to landing.
Yes, now I feel, seriously more confident about traveling.
That's great! And remember, practice these phrases out loud. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become.
So next time I travel, I'll say, "Could you tell me where gate 12 is?" With total confidence.
Exactly. And don't forget to smile. That's an international language.
Ooh, that's so true. Thank you, Lisa. This was super fun.
You're welcome, Jake. And thank you to everyone listening.
See you in the next episode of Everyday English Talk,
where English feels natural every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Safe travels.